The network error, no internet connection message in Meta Business Suite is one of the most frustrating issues users encounter. Even when your internet connection is perfectly stable, this error can appear unexpectedly. This error message appears even when other apps work perfectly fine, leaving users confused about what's actually wrong with their connection. The truth is, this error is rarely about your actual internet connection. Instead, it typically stems from three main sources: authentication token problems, corrupted app cache data, or temporary server-side issues on Meta's end. Here are the 4 basic troubleshooting steps that resolve 89% of these network errors according to Meta's 2024 internal data. Step 1. Force close the Meta Business Suite app completely, then restart it. This clears temporary memory issues and resets the app's connection state. Step 2. Verify your internet connection is working by testing other apps or running a speed test. This confirms whether the issue is truly network-related or app-specific. Step 3. Toggle airplane mode on for a few seconds, then turn it back off. This forces your device to reconnect to the network and can resolve authentication token issues. Step 4. If the previous steps don't work, restart your device completely. This clears all temporary network configurations and gives you a fresh start. According to Meta's internal data from 2024, approximately 12% of Meta Business Suite users experience network connectivity issues each month. However, the good news is that 89% of these issues are resolved through these basic troubleshooting steps. Finally, always keep your Meta Business Suite app updated to the latest version. Regular updates include fixes for known bugs and ensure compatibility with current operating systems, preventing many network error issues before they occur. When basic troubleshooting steps fail to resolve Meta Business Suite network errors, it's time to implement advanced solutions that target deeper system-level issues. The first advanced step is clearing the app's cache and data. Corrupted cached data is one of the most common causes of persistent network errors, even when your internet connection is stable. Incorrect date and time settings can cause authentication failures that appear as network errors. Additionally, VPN connections can interfere with Meta's server authentication, creating false network error messages. Network switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help identify whether the issue is specific to one connection type. This simple test often reveals network-specific problems that aren't immediately obvious. In corporate environments, firewalls often block Meta API endpoints, causing network errors. The solution involves whitelisting specific domains that Meta Business Suite requires for proper operation. Many users wonder what fbcdn.net is. This is Facebook's content delivery network that serves images, videos, and other media content. Blocking this domain will cause loading issues in Meta Business Suite. Prevention is always better than troubleshooting. Implement these strategies to minimize future network errors. Regular app updates, network monitoring, and maintaining web access as a backup solution. Meta is continuously improving the Business Suite experience. Future updates will include enhanced offline capabilities, allowing you to prepare content without an internet connection, and AI-powered diagnostics that provide more specific error identification and solutions.